You sure this is where Jen is?
Not completely. Her energy signature's vanished, but I picked up an energy signature similar to the ASA's metacallers. It's there, in the middle of where the Markovian battalion has made camp.
That has to be it.
What has to be it?
You need him. You'll never get Jen out alive past 100 Markovian troops.
I know what I said before. But if Jen needs help, then I'm there. What's the plan?
JC!
What's wrong with him?
Probably ASA countermeasures. We were trying to trace Odell.
But the ASA had him in a pod. Best believe Odell knows how to deal with his powers.
Is he gonna be okay?
I think so.
Everything okay?
Yeah, just a glitch. Thought someone was opening up my front door. All good.
Let's go get Jen.
Oh, thank God. I presume I'm being tracked and Odell wants you to break me out?
My orders are to clean out the classified information in Freeland.
All right, keep moving, everybody. Go, go, go. You be safe inside. Go. Keep moving. Hey, Henderson, that's a lot of bad guys, bro. What we gonna do? We gonna fight too, bitch. Everybody fight. Get off my block.
Educated people running the lives of our society, making up the rules, holding back the schools. A lot of greed, a lot of temptation. Prove one thing, we're Arab nation. Right on, right on.
I appreciate you.
Always.
Still use your help. You want to meet us at the pit?
Yeah, I got you.
Gabby will direct you. Can you fly?
That's dope.